want to glow up too. I want you to look vibrant. I want you to look good. And I'm going to show you how to glow up as a man with these 7 things, starting by getting your butt in that sauna. Look, most of you that pay for gym memberships, and I'm speaking from experience here, you have a sauna disposable to you and you just walk right past it. Bro, I used to go to LA Fitness and I would see the sauna and I would laugh at all the old, hairy, fat men that would just sit in that sauna all day long. I wouldn't laugh at them, but in my head I'd be like, that's so pointless, go hit a real workout. Well, the idiot was me. I was the dumb one in the room. I started to use the sauna a few months ago. Best decision of my life. I started looking at all these studies, all these benefits. I'm looking at what it does to my skin. I'm looking at what it does to my health. 2 instant things that I noticed that makes me glow up. 1, skin. Bro, you sweat off so much toxins when you're sitting in that sauna. I usually do about 30 minutes right after my workout. You come out drenched in sweat. I'm just imagining all my pores releasing all that dirt. And the second thing it does, it's your breathing. For whatever reason, ever since I started using the sauna, when I do my running or any of my cardio or HIIT workouts, it's almost like my endurance has increased. And this again has been proven all because of sauna work, all because I'm training my body to be in extreme temperatures. Number 2, drink more water. This one's simple, bro. You have to force yourself to do it. And here's, again, I'm speaking from personal experience. Don't just drink water. Make sure you have electrolytes in it. So I'm the type of guy, and I've showed you, I pride myself in drinking tons of water because it's good for your skin. But you have to understand that your skin needs to be hydrated. You need electrolytes. To be hydrated, you have to have a balanced amount of electrolytes. The other day I was sick, you can still kind of hear it in my voice. I ended up going to the hospital. It was about 7 days. I was with the flu. It wasn't going away. I ended up getting checked. I had 2 bags of IV that had to get pumped into me because apparently, according to my blood work, I was dehydrated, yet I keep drinking water like a madman. What the doctor told me was, yo, you have to start adding electrolytes into your water. And I'm trying to just give you advice here as well. Don't just drink water, bro. Add electrolytes. I have little packets now that I add to all my water. You want to make sure you're as hydrated as possible to look as vibrant as possible. Which takes me to number 3. Use the right skincare. Another one where too many of you are just getting it wrong. It's not just about washing your face, putting on a moisturizer. It's about finding the right products for your skin. If you want your skin to take a drastic turn and for it to actually be vibrant, for it to look perfect, for it to look flawless, you have to use the right products. See, there are certain products that are made for your skin type. And your skin type, it's not like my skin type. So I'm not even telling you to use what I'm using. Use something that's made for you. This is why I always recommend our sponsor, Geology. Our sponsor, Geology, doesn't just give you a one-for-all cookie-cutter system. Geology gives you a custom system depending on your skin type. See, with Geology, if you guys click the link down below, you'll get to speak to a skin professional. This professional will look at your skin type. We'll look at your skin problems. What are you dealing with? What do you want to fix? What's your goal? And then the skin professional will then formulate your specific skincare routine and ship that to your door. See, unlike any other skincare product, you are now getting products that are actually designed for your problems and for your skin type, so you actually drive home results and you glow up. As a man, you'll look more vibrant. If you just check them, I want you to check them out for 1 month. Try it 1 month, and I know you're gonna be hooked because it's that good. But for the first month, they're gonna give you 70% off. 70% off on your first consultation. You'll have the talk with the professional, you'll have the skincare products, try them out, see how effective they are on your skin. I guarantee you'll be hooked. I guarantee you'll see that immediate glow up. If you guys wanna check it out, click that link down below. Number 4, eat more carrots. Carrots are filled with something called beta-carotene, which is an antioxidant that gets converted into a vitamin A once it's in the body and consumed. This vitamin A is not only great for protecting your skin against the sun, but it's also great to give your skin a natural tan. So yes, foods that have this orange tint, your sweet potato, your carrots, these are great for a glow up because it gives you a natural, beautiful glow to your skin. 5, shower in the mornings. If you want to glow up as a man, I do not want to hear about you not showering in the mornings and only showering at night. That's disgusting, bro. You wake up musty. You do 10 hours at night sweating with your oils rolling around, and then you just get out and go. Bro, you want to smell and look as good as possible. And your shower is one of those moments that if you've listened to me, watch my recent 7-step shower system where I take you through 7 steps, takes 5 minutes. You have the perfect opportunity to literally glow up every time you step into that shower, from head to toe. you cannot be skipping your showers in the morning. Number 6, put vitamin C serum on your face. So this is going that extra mile, because everybody watching this, I'm assuming you're not the guy that wants to do the bare minimum. You're the guy that wants to go above and beyond. The bare minimum is having a skincare routine. Above and beyond is using some sort of vitamin C serum. See, vitamin C is a natural antioxidant that not only protects your skin from free radicals and sun damage, but also helps regulate the melatonin levels in your skin. This is in particular important for guys that are darker skin tone color like myself. If you have darker skin tone color, it's very common to have like uneven skin tone patches where some areas of your skin will be darker or lighter depending on how the sun is damaging it. Where with vitamin C, you avoid that and you avoid overproduction of melatonin so you can have an even balanced skin tone color without any sort of imperfection. Ultimately rolls me to number 7, change your haircut. You saw me do it right in front of you guys. About 3 months ago, I decided, you know what? I'm shaving the curls, I'm going for a buzz cut. One of the fastest ways to glow up is to change your full appearance. Give it a 360. Most of you, and again, I've experienced this as well, will use the same haircut 7 years, 8 years, and you'll never change it. Not understanding that, there's different styles out there that'll suit your face, that will highlight different features of your face, that will almost change how you look and actually make you glow up. It's almost gonna be like a shock to everybody that sees you. It's gonna make you look better, bro.